So adventurous. Should we tack? In sailing parlance, we call that an asshole. You know who would say? Hannah Montana.
We're a 30,000-pound sailboat with a 40 horsepower engine that leaks oil, so.
Welcome to Bernard's Kite Corner. Man overboard! Okay, live, I think.
All right.
Put you in the back somewhere, I think, so you can see all of the sweet sailing action. We're sailing along past the Key Bridge recovery effort.
The Hydrovane is working.
Hydrovane is working.
Don't worry, everybody. The Hydrovane is working. This is it. This is the sailing. This is what we dreamed about.
This is the dream.
How can we Twitch stream?
How can we Twitch stream? Can we Twitch stream?
Where people go through and they're like, "Is that
While
a
sailing.
boat?" And you're like, "Yes."
Yeah, you're sailing.
You're sailing.
You're doing it.
I'm sailing.
So proud of you. So adventurous.
I see two reds.
Two reds?
I see a green.
Like two temper. Is it like over there?
Yeah, it's under the main span. It's under that the last remaining span.
Last remaining span. Hello, Corey's here.
Corey.
We're about to leave the river. They opened up a channel for recreational vessels after many weekends of putting our new self-steering gear on. We aren't steering. The boat is steering itself with the wind. His name is Appa. I don't know if you watched Avatar: The Last Airbender, but we've named him after Appa, the flying sky bison. He was an unsung hero of that series, carried everybody around for 3 full seasons, so he's gonna carry us around. Should we tack?
How you
Get
tack
ready
a boat
to tack.
is you drop the traveler. The reason you do this before you tack is because it's a lot easier when you're not fighting against the weight of the main and all. Then you're gonna crank and I'm gonna lees. You ready?
I'm ready. If that's Appa, you need a Momo. I don't know who Momo would be.
Mariana, you wanna get the jib in?
Yeah.
All right. Oh wow, this guy's all bunched up, huh?
Oh. In sailing parlance, we call that an asshole.
All right.
All right.
I like that. That was good.
Well, maybe now's a good time to point chat at the wreckage. So there's the Dali. So you can see all the cranes. There's like 4 or 5 cranes at work. Oh, you're gonna start the engine, you mean? Yeah. Sorry, chat, it's gonna be a little loud for a second. You'll see the Dali and you'll see us. How's that? The best of both, some might say. You know who would say? Hannah Montana. Taking the mainsail down just because we're gonna be probably motoring mostly upwind, so the mainsail will be just flapping around.
Got to through this channel as fast as we can, get the sails back up, start enjoying our afternoon. The main span, and then there's the secondary span, and then there's a piece that fell in the water, and then there's another piece that fell in the water, and then there's the span we're going under, 55 to 60 feet off the water. But it still does kind of get you.
Hold on, we're getting called.
Right on your 6 o'clock. I wonder if you could pick up the pace just a little.
He's asking us to go faster.
Sure, yeah, say sure, right on it. And then we're not going. We're a 30,000-pound sailboat with a 40 horsepower engine that leaks oil, so he's gonna be fine.
All right, chat, we're out. We made it. Oh, guess what, chat? I got my kite.
Oh yeah, we should get that out, like right now.
I'm scared because I don't want to lose it. I don't know if I've talked about this in chat, but we want to attach a camera to it eventually. I want to put you, chat,
Ooh.
on the kite. It's bright green, so if we do drop it in the water, should be able to find it. Are we really doing this? Are we flying a kite right now? Welcome to Bernard's Kite Corner. Momo!
Yeah, I was about to say the
kite's
name is Momo.
The kite is
I literally
Momo.
just thought it. I don't know why.
And he does like literally fly. Remember in the show? He like, Momo. Chat, it's working.
Oh my God, it's f***ing working.
Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go.
I don't like that. I don't know why it does that.
Why it's going down.
All right, ready? It's on you. You got it.
I don't fly a lot of kites. Is higher better, just
Higher
typically?
is better, yeah. It's more stable up there. Momo on the kite.
There's Momo. No Momo, stay up.
Almost trying to kill himself. Now a really great man overboard trail here.
Now what?
I don't know. Now we got a kite up in the air. I don't know what we're supposed to do with it.
I don't know what our parent is right now, but it's probably like right on the line of him being able to fly. Because when the wind picks up, he's much happier. And then when it dies, he yearns for the abyss. Maybe you need to trim one of the lines? Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I think the Almost right side needs like a slightly shorter line. Should we bring it in and see if we can try something? See if we can do it? Oh boy.
You got him.
He's fine.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
All right, go. Grab him, pull. Wait.
Oh,
no. Uh-oh. Well,
Fuck.
man overboard drill.
Man overboard. He's fine. All right, you're good.
All right.
He's good. He's fine.
He's wet.
He's wet,
cold.
but he's wet and cold, but he's on board. Momo. So that was the part I sort of anticipated being difficult. So like, yeah, pulling him back on board, I have to figure that part out.
Okay, go ahead. Whenever you're ready.
Ooh, baby, we're sailing. We're sailing.
Yep. Mariana, hold on. Wait, be quiet for a second. Go ahead, Libby.
Everyone needs you to like and subscribe, to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
There we go. Thank you.
I think we're gonna have to end the stream because we're out of batteries. Yeah, say bye, Jack.
Bye.
Bye, thanks for joining.